Hi there, I'm Eric, here with Serge, Master Technician at Hyundai. And today we're talking about replacing your brakes. Serge, how can you tell it may be time for a brake replacement?
Certain sounds like squealing and scraping can point towards significant wear and tear. And pulsation in the brake pedal indicates that you need to get your brakes checked right away.
What does a brake replacement involve?
Your certified technician will remove and replace all worn out components with Hyundai Genuine parts. We always recommend using Hyundai Genuine parts. They aren't replacement parts. They are the production quality, meaning they are exactly the same as the original parts that was installed on your vehicle.
Well, why does that make a difference?
They provide optimal performance for your specific vehicle model, and Genuine parts meet all factory specification: fit, finish, quality, and safety. Aftermarket parts don't go through the same quality control process, and in most cases aren't built specifically for your vehicle.
Hyundai Genuine parts are always the way to go. Genuine parts are specifically designed for your Hyundai and manufacture the highest standards for peak performance and long life. Want to learn more about Hyundai Genuine parts and service? Check out the rest of our video series.